Here are a few of the things that I bought at the train show September the 8th, 2018 in Clovis, California this year. Paid $40 for this Southern Pacific engine. Not exactly sure, it's a GT something. I'm kind of new to this. I'm not an expert. I apologize. This, got some rolling stock here. Very good prices. Love this caboose. I think I only paid $5 for that. Got this engine here for $10. It doesn't seem to want to run too good. We definitely need to do some work on that one. But definitely had a good time at the trade show. Definitely that is where the bargains are at. Train shows. Can't wait for the next one in December in Turlock. Unfortunately, that's right before Christmas, and definitely will be on a budget of that day. As if I'm not always on a budget. I was on a budget today, but definitely spent way over the budget. But was having way too much fun. Love this hobby. Thank you all. Hope you enjoyed.